What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I'm so excited for today's video. The long-awaited update on my hair loss and telling you guys what I've been doing. My hair is thicker, more luscious, I'm not balding anymore, and it's amazing. Today's video is sponsored by Irestore. I am so excited to partner with them once again because this product has literally changed my confidence. It has changed my hair. Today I'm gonna be announcing, drum roll please, the Irestore Pro device. Ooh. If you are excited to hear about how I have grown my hair back, then you definitely want to stay tuned to this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave and make sure to hit the bell so that you're notified when I upload a video on my channel. And without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about hair growth. Before I jump into all of the details about the Irestore Pro, I do just kind of want to briefly go over my hair loss journey. If you're new to my channel and this is the first time you have clicked on one of my videos, I would highly recommend you go watch my playlist that is all about my hair loss and hair growth journey. My hair loss started years back. It was pretty traumatic. Anytime you're losing handfuls of hair and your hair is thinning at a very rapid pace, it's pretty traumatic. I tried everything under the sun. Again, all of this is in my previous videos, and I did not see any type of results until I started using the Irestore laser hair device. This is the one that I originally started using. This is the Irestore Essential. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a few photos of the beginning of my journey when I was really struggling with the hair loss. I was introduced to the Irestore Essential and I started using that. It was like April or May of 2018. I can't remember the exact date. I was really excited because it was just a totally different approach to growing my hair back than anything else that was ever presented to me. I have done a few videos updating you guys on how I started to grow my hair back, the results that I had from 0 to 3 months, the results I had from 3 to 6 months. This is something that just became part of my every other day routine because you use the device every other day. I saw the results, which in turn made me want to keep using it. And the other thing that I really love about the Irestore is that it's just so convenient. Being that I could just put this on in the morning, have it on for 25 minutes, it automatically shuts off. I can drink my coffee while this is going and then I'm good to go. Like, it just was so much more convenient than anything else that I had tried in the past. I'm sure you're wondering, what in the world is the difference between the Irestore Essential and the Irestore Pro? There's not one that's better than the other. I used the Irestore Essential for many months and had incredible results, and now that the Pro has come out, I've started using that. It's all dependent on what your needs are. One of the biggest differences between the Essential and the Pro is that the Irestore Essential has 51 medical grade laser and LED lights in here. So this is where the little lights cut on. You can see the little holes in there. The Irestore Pro has 282 lights. There's a whole lot more light action happening in here. The next difference is that the Essential covers the most commonly known areas for balding. So the crown of the head, the front of the head. So I'm just gonna put it on really quickly so you can see. So hopefully it doesn't get stuck in my hair. But this is kind of what the Irestore Essential looks like when it's on. I wanted to quickly show you guys that the Irestore Pro has extended coverage on the back of the device and also on the side, so you get much more coverage with the Irestore Pro than you do with the Essential. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly the extended coverage of the Pro. Both of them have a rechargeable battery pack, a digital screen, as well as an automatic shut-off time, which makes it super easy because once it's done, it's done. You don't have to think about it. Both devices also have a ventilated pattern for really good breathability and ventilation. Both devices are very durable, easy to use, and made from high quality material. The choice is up to you guys whether you really need the Essential or whether you really want the Pro. Both work, both have given me results. I've been using the Pro for about 3 to 4 months now, and I absolutely love it. Another question that I get a lot is, can you just use the laser without using the other products that come along with it? Yes, you can absolutely just use the laser hair device, but if you are really wanting the quickest, best results and you want to do all the things to try to really grow your hair back as quickly as possible, they do have a lot of other products that you can purchase that kind of go hand in hand with the laser device. I do want to briefly mention that they did just come out with a new conditioner. It's infused with biotin, argan oil, and ginseng, and it's got some other essential oils in there. Really amazing for hair growth. If you're looking for a hair growth shampoo and conditioner, they also offer that as well. I personally am addicted to their hair gummies. I take 2 of them a day and they're amazing. Another incredible thing that Irestore offers, and I don't believe I've heard this from any company, is a 12-month money back guarantee. So I feel like that speaks volumes about their commitment to getting their customers results. To celebrate the launch of the Irestore Pro, Irestore is going to be doing a giveaway. They're going to be giving away an Irestore Pro every single month. There's actually multiple ways to enter so that you can get multiple entries. Click on the information that I have in the description box so that you guys can enter their giveaway. You could be one of the first ones to get your hands on this. And that is pretty much it. Make sure to stay tuned because I will be bringing you guys an in-depth video about my experience with the Irestore Pro, my results. Of course, I'm going to continue to update you guys on my hair growth journey because this has just been something that you guys have come along with me on, and I love being able to bring you guys something that actually truly works. So I'm going to say it one more time. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and make sure to click that bell so that you're notified so that you don't miss any future updates on my hair loss journey. If you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. I'm going to be checking them, trying to answer as many questions as I can. There's also an FAQ page on the Irestore website that answers pretty much all the basic questions that most people have about the device. I'll leave everything linked in the description box, as well as my discount code. I do have a discount code with Irestore. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this more informative video, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.